Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off VoiceOver Speech Detect Languages on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and in here tap on Accessibility. Then we tap on VoiceOver. Now go down and tap on Speech. Then in here, tap on Detect Languages. Tap on the toggle button to switch it off or turn it on. And let's say here when you turn this on, VoiceOver will switch voices when text in another language is detected. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.